If you do a lot of work in Canva, you're going to love this tip. This is how to import a page from a different Canva project into the project you're working on right now. So I am here creating my content for the month using the monthly content packs. And I don't want to use this one this time. I have something else in mind. So I'm going to go here to projects. So you go to your designs here and you're going to choose a design. And let's say that I want to replace this with that. Now, with one click, I have imported a whole other design and it's all clickable and editable. And here's a cool thing. It does not matter the size of the design. You can still import it. Let's say that I want to import a design from one of my reels into a feed post, and you can do that too, just by clicking here. And this is going to be automatically resized to your current project. I am Manu, the founder of Your Social Team and Your Template Club, and we create monthly content packs already batched for you inside Canva and give you lots of tips for content creation and Instagram. So if you enjoyed this, make sure that you subscribe.